Vishwa from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation in Powai College of Engineering in the stream of ECE. Um, Before coming to Pyspiders, I am nothing because I didn't know even a single line about coding knowledge. Pyspiders give full support to gain my knowledge and improve my skills. Pyspiders, I open to say that Pyspiders is the only thing got placed in Mindtree, and I am placed in Mindtree um, in the designation of software engineering under 4 lakh per annum. And about my trainers, Akila ma'am taken Python for me. Uh, Akila ma'am teach each and every topic without omitting any single small topic at all. Anto sir taken SQL for me. He is the only thing to improve my communication skills by presentation class. And Nandita ma'am taken me for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. She also give full support to me to gain my knowledge.